Alright, hi everyone. Today we're gonna perform shoulders. So our first variation is machine press. I hope every gym has this equipment. If you don't have this machine, go for a normal shoulder press machine. This is an effective overall shoulder variation, which means by doing this variation, our 3 shoulder heads are gonna get trained.
Told you not to worry, but maybe that's a lie.
Our second variation is lateral rises.
Honey, what's your hurry?
This variation is focused on your lateral head of your shoulder, which is the medial head.
Remember not to get too close to start.
Perform 15 reps. Don't use your body to lift the weight. Use your arms and shoulders to lift the weight. Make sure your form is right.
Don't wanna be lonely, so show me the way home.
Increase your weight in every set and decrease the reps. In here, I have increased the weight from 7.5 to 10 kilos and I am hitting 10 reps in the final set of lateral rises. Once we're done with this variation, we're gonna go for another press-in movement for overall shoulder development. And here we go, our third variation is dumbbell press. This is one of my favorite variations for hitting the shoulders, which activates every head of your shoulder muscle and strengthens your shoulder and brings to the beautiful size. If you observe my form, I am bringing dumbbell all the way to my shoulder and taking back all the way on the top, but I am not touching or slamming the dumbbells. I am doing a 2-inch gap in between the dumbbells, which is perfect for building your shoulders. So this is our second set. I have increased the weight of the dumbbell and hitting 10 reps here. This is an extraordinary variation for building the mass in your shoulder muscles and strengthening your shoulder muscles. You can go heavy on this exercise and make sure your form is right all the time. Make sure you get your targeted reps, which is really important in building that muscle. Never ever leave a rep unturned. This is our third set. I have taken an heaviest dumbbell possible and trying to hit 7 reps here. Make sure your form is right all the time. If not, there are a lot of chances to get injured. If you see, I am struggling to get those 7 reps from the heaviest weight, which builds the strength in your muscle and makes you strong. So we are done with the dumbbell press. Let's go to the next variation. Our fourth variation is front rises. Here we are performing this variation with the dumbbell. We are done hitting the overall shoulder presses and the lateral head lateral rises. So it's time to hit the front delts, which are anterior delts. If you see my form, I'm bringing a dumbbell all the way up to my shoulder level and dropping it. Make sure you do it in a slow and controlled form, which is really important. This variation is a tough variation. If you don't get it at the first time, make sure you practice it for few times and you will be perfect in this. Don't use your body to bring the weight of the dumbbell up. Always use your arms and shoulder to lift the weight of the dumbbell. Once you are done with hitting the front shoulder, let's get to the rear head of the shoulder, which is the back side of your shoulder muscle. It is a really small muscle. Let's hit it. So this is our last variation of today's workout. This is rear rises. This variation helps in building the back side portion of your shoulder, which is rear shoulder. Compared to anterior and lateral head of your shoulders, the rear head of your shoulders is really difficult to hit. So make sure you add this variation in your shoulder workout, and I guarantee you feel the difference in your rear head of your shoulder. So this is it guys, we are done with today's workout. Part 2 of shoulder day is coming soon with lot of more variations and exercises. Please stay tuned.